So recently, I saw a hype around law firm website. I don't know what's going on, but I saw a hype around law firm website. So a lot of people were coming to my DM and saying, "Bro, do you build law firm website? Do you build website for lawyers and all those kind of thing?" And I'm like, "What's going on?" So I collected some of the deals and started building some website. Like I'll show you some of my client website, but I do not know what they use it for, so I can't really show you. If I don't know, but I just have this like this or deal like people just coming in for law firm website. So today I decided to teach you guys as your YouTuber how to create a law firm website. Yes, how to create a law firm website. Even if you don't know how to code, I'm going to teach you how to create a law firm website. Are we together? Yes. So before we begin, hit that subscribe button first. First, click on the subscribe button, and I'll show you now. The last one I did for this website, I charged 300,000, and this is the most simplest website I've created in my life, and I charged 300,000. And the reason is that it has everything I need. I don't have to like come from scratch. It just had everything I need, and let me show you guys how to do it. So first, hit the subscribe button. As your web designer, I bring you good tidings, and this is one of the good tidings. So let's get started. Now, the first thing you need to create a law firm website is a domain and a host. So for this, I'm going to encourage you to use Azura or Namecheap. All right, Azura or Namecheap. Now, I'm not recommending a hosting for you, but I'm just telling you Azura or Namecheap. So it's your choice to either use or use your own. Because last time I did the hosting I recommended to people, one time it was having issue and I was having a lot of DM from people telling me that the hosting you recommended is this. So this is the one I'm using currently, Azure and Namecheap. It's all left for you what you're going to do with this information, right? Rather with this information. Anyway, if you're using Azure, just come to here. Now type in the domain name you want. So let's say HH law, HH law, um, laws. So and just click on enter. And what it's going to do is going to search if the domain name is available. Now it's going to check if that domain name is available. Sorry, my internet connection. All right, so it's going to check if the domain name is available. As you can see, it's scanning and checking if the name is available. Now it says yes, it's available, and it's going for 191840. Now what you're going to do is you're going to add this to cart. Click on add to cart. Then you come to service. As you see, you have web hosting direct admin. You have web hosting cPanel. Note of warning: always pick cPanel. Always, unless you understand what you're doing. If you don't understand what you're doing, always click cPanel. Now, once you add that to cart, you come here, get this one for 22,000 naira a year. So total you have spent about 20 plus 16. That should be, let's say, approximately 40,000 naira. Now if you do 40,000 naira, you are good, right? You're good. So you do that and you'll be given a cPanel. Now let me show you what a cPanel is like. So this is what a cPanel look like. Now this cPanel is the information to get to this place will be sent to your email. Now what you do next after this is sent to your email, you come here. Now I have a full tutorial about cPanel mastery. Just search for cPanel mastery. Let me show you how to do that. So don't be offended, I like explaining in details these days so that you guys have cPanel mastery v3 design. If the video is still on top one, okay, so you see right now this is the video 1.4K cPanel mastery. So I did this in 2024, so I'm going to update this very soon. I'm going to do the latest one, but this is everything about cPanel. Yeah, you get? So yes, this is it. So now come to your cPanel, search for file manager. This is file manager, right? You click on it. Now I already have my own open. Now if you remember on this part, when we're purchasing this plan, why I told you to purchase this plan, you see here, you can use it for 15 websites. That means you can add 15 different domain. So you can buy domain name, this.com, this.net, any other domain name you want to add, and add it to just this hosting, right? And then you will be good. So that is what I'm doing on this my plan. As you can see, this is tutorial.tutorial.com.ng. This is tutorial.com.ng. This is a different website, so that is it. Now, what you want to do for the first one is you want to click on the public underscore HTML and then click on upload file. Listen carefully. You click on public underscore HTML and then click on upload file. And when you click on upload file, there's a link in the description that will give you access to this file. The file is just for chicken change, so don't worry, don't be afraid. It serves well. Okay, imagine me doing something that gave me 300,000 naira for just a simple website. Now, removing at most 10,000 naira for something will not be a problem. You get, guys? So, but I'm going to use this tutorials.com.ng instead of me to use that one, because this is where I use for my tutorials, guys. So I got it for you guys so that I can use it to show you guys how to, you understand? Now you click yours, you should be here, or you should be on the public underscore HTML, but I'm going to do it here because this is a domain added. So I'm going to click on upload. Now I'm going to come to my file manager. Now if you click on the link in the description, you get access to this file. So okay, let me share this into two. So now this is the file 7. So I'm going to drag it and put it here. So you can select it and just select it from your computer, but I'm just going to drag it and put it here and then come back. So I'm going to give it some time to upload and we will continue. Alright, so we have it uploaded. So click on this, go back, it will take you back. Now you want to click on extract. Click on extract file. It's going to extract the file on your public underscore HTML. Now you go into the folder, select all, move them to your public underscore HTML. So for my own is the add-on domain I added. So I'm going to go back. See, I have it here. So now if I copy this domain name, copy this, take it here, paste it, and click on enter. No, not this. Sorry, it has not. Okay, my browser is caged. So let me do it in a new incognito tab. That is one I did before. So now you see I have my website. So this is a logo I can add. So I'm going to show you how to do all this thing at the end of the day. So don't worry. Even if you don't know how to code, don't worry. You'll be fine. Right? So this is our website right now. Now this is our website. Now your first question will now be, but Victory, I don't know how to code. So how do I start? Where do I begin from? Now let's go. Now each of these pages, as you can see, they are linked to something. I'm going to show you one after the other. So this is the home page and it's always called indexed page. It's called index what page. So this is the service page, and if you look here on my top browser, you see services.html. Can you see services.html, right? Okay, if you go to this about, open a new tab, you see our about.html, right? So let me go back to my file manager. Now when you come here, you see this is the index.html. I'm going to click on edit, and there are two things I don't want. I don't want to see the blog session. I don't want to see the pages session. I don't need these two. So whoever wants to contact me should click on either this contact. So I'm going to add this contact, or I'm just going to remove everything entirely. Remove this case study, remove this blog, and put the contact. So let's do that. So the first thing you want to do is to name your website, the title of your website. So let's say this is called HH Laws. HH Laws. This is it. Now you look for that place, that the one you want to delete, as I said. So I said I don't want the case section, I don't want the blog section. So I'm going to remove it. Look closely, guys. Look closely. I'm starting from an LI and then I'm ending at the other LI. You see, I've removed the case study and blog section. Now I said I don't want any other thing apart from the, where is the contact, right? Contact. So where is the contact? See, this is the contact. So this is the only one I want, right? So I'm going to remove this one from the sub menu. Just pay attention though. With this, you are good. You do not have to know. You don't need to know how to code, right? So I'm going to do this and remove this guy as well. Yep, it's not valid, so I'm going to delete this. So now I save it and then take you back to my code, to my website, refresh it, and voila, I have just the home service about contact. Good to go, guys. Okay, so now you want to ask me about the text, right? So let me show you. This is called Professional Lawyers We Fight For You Like a Friend. All right, so let's go back. I think I could literally do that to a two screen. So let me see. I don't know. Okay, this is great. Yes, I can do this. All right, so Professional Lawyers We Fight For You Like a Friend. Okay, so let's look for professional lawyers. So come here, or you could just search. Let me copy. Okay, find, control find, which is control F, professional. So this is professional lawyer. So what do you want to change it to? Okay, let's say HH Laws Lawyer. HH Laws Lawyer. So I'm going to click on Save Changes and come to this other side and reload. And you see HH Lawyers. So you look for any text you don't want. So assuming this is not your phone number, so you come here, this is the phone number. So you could put your phone number 81490599202. Got it, guys? All right. So assuming you want to change any of these things, assuming you want to remove this video and add another YouTube video, you just come here, copy this link. Where's the video? Where does the video link end? Yeah. So you go to YouTube. So assuming this, I want to copy this YouTube video. All right, YouTube pop up. So I'm going to copy this YouTube video. I'll just copy link. Come back. Where is my index page? Okay. So I'll just replace it to this one. And voila, I have. Where did I make the mistake from? All right. Let's see. Okay. Oh, sorry. We're supposed to embed the video, not copy. You see, embed. This is like the short form. So to embed the video, I have to open the video. And if I open that video, they will give me copyright strike. So anyway, just embed your video, Jar. You understand what I'm doing, Shay? You understand. Don't say you don't understand, Jerry. You understand. So so do that. All right. So vehicle accident. You look for vehicle accident. You see we fight for you as a friend, free consultation. You edit everything to fit your need, as you can see. So whatever you do here, just change the text. So see this Lauren. So you just copy it, come here, paste it, and you see it, and then you change it to what you want. And mind you, you can just use AI. Send this template to AI, and it will write all the text out for you. All you just have to do is to copy from the AI text and post here. You are done. So now the most important thing you want to ask is the email I get. I know, right? You want to say, but Victor, how do I receive mail? So what if a customer write me here, how do I receive mail? We got you covered, guy. So here's what you do. So you go, let's make this bigger. You come to your website, your public_html. Now you look for this file. Now for this exact one, you look for contact process.php. Are you following, or you have actually lost guarded? Or yeah, if you are following, let's go. So now you come here, you copy this email, you change this email to your email. You understand? So you change it to your email. You can do it from a company email by go create a company email. If you do not understand that, let me give you short expo. So look for email cPanel. Now you see email account. Just open it in a new tab. Let me see, because I got a lot of email, guys. I don't want to leak my private. All right. So you come here and then you click on create email, and then it will ask you. I said I don't want to leak my private. Anyway, you select your domain name, and then you paste your user, the if it's support info, you paste it here, and then you copy whatever you get. Copy whatever email you created and paste it here. It will be sending email to that place. Do you understand? Then you click on save. Once you save changes, you are done. At the end of the day, you finally have your law website. Are we together? You have your wait. Have you subscribed first? Why are you calling my style? Have you subscribed? Yeah, go and subscribe. Now the second thing is that template that normally rotates, that doesn't look like your own. You get it? That look like this one. So you look for it. How do you look for it? You go to your file manager again. You look for it. This is asset, and in asset there's always image. And in image, this is all the image you see. Now this is the icon. So you change all the icon here to your own icon. Are you with me? So this icon now, let me give you this now. Now all these icons contain the ones you see. These are some of the icons. Let's go for the logo. This is called logo. I almost forgot. This is the one that loads. So loader. This is it. So you just replace it. How do you replace it? Just download your own, create your own logo from Canva or whatever you're creating your logo for. Rename it to loader, and make sure you download it as a PNG image. Once you rename it to loader, you upload here. Once you click here, you upload it. It tells you to replace the logo. You say yes, and then you replace it for crying out loud, and you are done. So you have a law website. I just collected 300k for. You have it for, I say 40,000 naira. Don't tell anybody. I will tell the job with this. Anyway, so thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you have not hit the subscribe button, hit that subscribe button. If not, you see me your dream. Peace out, guys. I will see you on my next tutorial. Yes, peace out. I'll see you on my next tutorial.